Can you dance, Mama, on your birthday? No? No dancing today? Are you going to dance for Mama? Can you do birthday dance? Today's your first birthday. No? No dancing? There you go. Clapping. Good girl. Oh, bad cough. Dancing. No dancing? Okay. Want to finish eating? Are you going crazy? You sure? I didn't think so. Dancing?